Hello everyone, you know I am Udemy instructor and this is my Udemy profile, and in my Udemy profile there are many courses. I have given you a very special discount for all the courses. That means for all course, for example, building a real estate management system with PHP, then building a complete job portal application with Laravel 9, online hotel booking platform with Laravel 9, news portal website with Laravel 9, building a portfolio website with Laravel 9, also making a complete non-profit charity website with the latest Laravel 10. For all these courses you will get a very special discount. I am going to attach the discount links in the bottom, and if you enroll on all these courses, I hope you will learn a lot from my courses, because all the courses you will see have a lot of hours and a lot of details you will get from these courses, and you will be able to learn very well from here. You will see that here are total 48 hours course. This course is 54 total hours course, a total of 300 lectures here. Also, if you see in this course, you will see that there is 37.5 hours. In this course you will see 44 hours. Here you will see 32 hours. Here you will see 44 hours, 276 lectures. That means all these courses are very big courses, and from each project you will learn a very complete project. So it will help you to build up your programming career and to learn the Laravel well. This discount will be valid only for 4 days. So just hurry up and just enroll on all the courses.